I'm going to sing Have You Ever Seen the Rain by Creedence Clearwater Revival. Someone told me long ago there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Hold on. Yesterday and days before. Sun is cold and rain is hot. I know. Been that way for all my time. Till forever on it goes. Through the circle fast and slow. I know. I can't stop, I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yeah, I wanna know, have you ever seen rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen rain? Coming down a sunny day. All right. Fifa didn't attack me. She didn't attack me this time. No. Oh. All right. I just wanted to sing this song. I love that song. I wanted to sing it because it's early. It was like, was not early. It's like 11 or so. So, actually, it's almost 11:30. So, I can't sing. Still in the daylight. And I'm not too choked up, but I could sing better. I could. I love that song.